Hi, my name's Stefan. I'm from Paul Munns Instant Lawn, and today I'm going to show you how to plan for and install an instant lawn. Now, the first stage of any instant lawn project is the soil preparation stage. A good soil preparation will ensure your turf develops deep roots, which leads to better drought tolerance and durability. Now, you can see that we've prepared this area by removing 100 millimetres of the existing soil. We've done this so that we can make room to bring in a layer of fresh sandy loam. The amount of soil that you need to remove can vary, so it really comes down to how good or bad your natural soil is. Sandy loam is the best thing that you can use when laying instant turf. It's made of about 80% sand and 20% loam. That's the most common mix that you'll find. Now, you'll find that some places will also mix in some compost and fertilisers, manures, things like that in with this mix. Helps hold extra nutrient and moisture in the soil while the lawn's establishing. But what we've got here today is what's called Cullington Loam. It's mined very close to where we grow our turf, and it's a perfect match for what we're doing here today. You can get sandy loam from just about any landscape supply yard around town. Today we got ours delivered from Budget Landscape Supplies. Okay, so now we've got the job of getting this pile of dirt into our prepared lawn area, so let's go. Okay, so what we've got here is a soil screed. It's kind of like a levelling rake, a flat screed on a handle, and it really helps you to get your site nice and level. Getting your site level before laying your turf is definitely worth spending a bit of extra time doing. It makes a difference between an average job and a really nice looking job. It gets that really level finish. Simple tool to use. You can either buy them from a hardware store or hire them from your local hire shop, but definitely worth the effort. Once you finish levelling, your soil height should be 25 mil below your edge. This will allow space for the thickness of your turf, so that when you lay your turf it comes up just nice and flush with the top of your pavers here. The final step in preparing this area is to apply some starter fertiliser and some wetting agent. We're using Paul Munns Organic Lawn Food and Paul Munns Lawn Soaker Wetting Granules. When combined together, these two bags of goodness will help establish your lawn faster with less stress. So we've excavated out the area and we've prepared the soil, and now we're ready for the fun stuff, rolling out the turf. Rolling instant turfs out is pretty simple. You grab a roll from a pallet and put it down into position and just simply roll it out. Now you can see here that I've left a small gap, and that's just so you don't overlap this roll on the roll next to it. Then you just simply push it in. Once you finish rolling out the turf, you'll need to cut in the edges. The easiest thing we've found to do this with is a serrated edge knife, like a steak knife, or even a pair of secateurs. What we're using today is a variety of turf called Ryanna. It's a combination of Sandarana and ryegrass. And if you've got a job that needs to look good, this grass looks sensational. Okay, so there you have it. We've installed a beautiful Paul Munns Instant Lawn here today. We've planned what we're going to do, we've prepared the area, and then we've gone ahead and installed it. It's the quickest way to transform your landscape, and the best thing is that it's totally achievable as a DIY project, even if you haven't done it before. If you find yourself needing some help, if you don't know what to do, you can always give us a call down at Paul Munns or shoot us an email. We're always here to give you all the advice that you need to get this job done for yourself.